In August 2020, the parish of Beauregard, Louisiana, was devastated by Hurricane Laura. The Category 4 hurricane sustained winds of 150 miles per hour and caused severe flooding, leaving 43,000 Beauregard Electric Cooperative members without power. The utility called on their previous relationship with Davie Resource Group to quickly perform the storm walkdown necessary to become eligible for FEMA assistance. A group of 15 crew members performed the walkdown using ATVs, vehicles, and their own 2 feet to collect data on more than 100,000 poles. The crews looked for changes on the entire pole, from whether the pole was still standing to the conditions of its attachments. After 6 months, the crew completed their data collections, and the new inventory information was fed into Beauregard Electric's live system map. The inventory acted as tangible evidence of damages to their transmission and distribution lines, proving they were eligible for the FEMA funding assistance that would cover the cost of repairs. With the help of DRG's dedicated crew, Beauregard Electric was able to restore power for the majority of the community by September 30th, 2020. Let us show you the power of Davie Utility Solutions.